Today, Goa's popular English daily Herald has published a very interesting photograph of a big catch by two anglers. Their names are not given, but the photograph is very nice by one Edgar Fernandez. And the size of these two important catch that they caught, one is known as bubbler tip snapper and another is known as finger mark snapper. Now snappers we know as tamso in Goa, and it needs lot of skill on the open sea to catch this who can catch these type of very heavy fish, marine fish, and they got it in Tirakol river, indicating the biodiversity of our estuarine tidal zones of our rivers, and also the skills which Goans display in catching and bagging such type of snappers. And we need to compliment them, and we need to also encourage this type of sports fishing and angling activity. From the looks of it, it appears that they are less bothered about consuming this fish than just the very adventure and the sport of hooking them, chasing them. It's not easy. You have to play with the hook and rod, and this one is not very easy because of the heaviness of the fish also. And it's very interesting that they got this very healthy specimens growing in this Tirakol river, where NIO scientists are also doing a lot of work, and they are also reporting in the Tirakol, Bay of Tirakol, and the estuarine zone and continental shelf area, which is very close to the coast. Lots of biodiversity exists there, and this is remarkable because we need to promote the sports fishing and angling in Goa in a big manner in our creeks and backwaters, various types of rivulets, streams. During monsoon, very few competitions are held in Goa for sports fishing, for amateur anglers. But this is remarkable because I really like such type of photographs, because in the western countries, also in Southeast Asia, we see a huge amount of interest among various types of people in sports fishing, and there are huge number of documentaries on sports fishing and angling, and we compliment this youth for this beautiful catch, and we also congratulate and compliment the photographer Mr. Edgar Fernandez, and also the newspaper, that is the 123 years old Herald English Daily of Goa, for taking up this type of cause and also giving wide publicity to this activity and this sports fishing and this adventure and this interest of this youth in showcasing and demonstrating what the waters of Goa can really yield. We congratulate them, and we wish them further success in their sports fishing and adventure, while they must take all the care to be safe on the open sea and also in the turbulent waters of our estuaries.